Hi everyone, wish you all a very happy and prosperous 2021. I'm excited for the new beginnings, I'm sure you are too. And thank God 2020 is behind us. Now I've got some important tips and a forecast for all the numbers. So let's see what we can expect this year. So let's see how number ones will do this year. Number ones will have a decent 2021. Jan and Feb, the first 2 months, can bring in short travels and new beginnings, and these will be beneficial for you on a mental level. Your energies might go up and down occasionally, but how you act in these first 2 months will decide the rest of your year. Feb can bring in some confusions, but trust your instincts and make decisions accordingly. March, you'll feel liberated and full of energy. This is a good month actually if you want to lay down the foundation for anything new, start up a business or a project. April, you must take care of your health and avoid travel if possible. On the contrary, this is a good month for spiritual journey or upliftment. May will be busy for you. If you're into entertainment industry, expect exceptional results. If you're into politics, also expect things to work out well for you. Now, also, if you're into garments, textiles, electronics, FMCG, May will be a good month to reap the benefits. June will be slightly challenging and will require extra efforts to reach your goals. Partnerships will be very important in June because July will be a little straining on a mental and financial level. August onwards, you'll catch up on the lost time and money. And if you play your cards right in August, you can actually expect a big leap. September is a month to stay focused, avoid impulsive decisions, and this is also a month where you need to rethink your strategies or ways of working, and you need to make changes according to the new trends and evolutions that may take place in your industry. um, October, money will flow in. It's a good month. It's important that you also control your finances or expenses this month, so you have to be proactive in saving in October. November and December will be extremely good for you on both spiritual, financial levels, and also in terms of your relationships. Make the best of these 3 months. You're bound to get lethargic, especially around mid-November, December, and you'll prefer spending time with family, but that's totally okay. It won't hurt your finances. Just keep your karma right in the final 2 months, and by end of the month, you'll have a great year. So let's see how number twos will fare this year. Beginning of the year in Jan, you need to be proactive and take good care of your health. Mental and financial worries will be evident in the first 2 months. You'll also witness temporary downfalls in personal relationships. However, March onwards, you can expect things to improve and you'll get an energy boost. First half of April can bring in travel opportunities, but I'll advise you to stay grounded. The second half will bring some financial worries, but irrespective of the financial woes, you'll always get help from one or more sources. May, the first half of May will be excellent for you, but you need to be watchful in the last bit or the last week of May. June, again, the first half of June will be excellent period, so grab all the opportunities that you can get your hands on. This will be a decisive period as well, so make best use of your associations or connections. July will be extremely good for you. Those in entertainment business will benefit largely. This is also a good month to enhance your spiritual journey. First half of July will be excellent for textiles, luxury, beverages, and even for speculative traders. However, just be a little cautious during the last week of this month. Things will just get a bit shaky. August will be all about breaking old chains and new beginnings. Health needs also attention during the first week. Family and loved ones will be your biggest strength this month. September can bring in challenges, but October you can expect things to cool down a bit. November again will be superb, favorable. The first two bits will be extremely good, and December your energies will be restored. So you can expect kind of a bumpy ride, but at the end of the year things will fall in place and you'll have a good year. Number three is this year you need to step out of your comfort zone and do whatever it takes to achieve your goals. The first week of Jan will be excellent, but mid-Jan to mid-Feb will require hard work. Finances will be bumpy, and you'll also face some unwanted expenses that can be troubling. You need to take care of your health during this period, as well as from May until September. The last bit of Feb you can expect, and until March you can expect good results. Period is excellent. Make the best use of this time. This is a good period for job seekers, entrepreneurs, business owners. If you're into gold, telecommunications, luxury, even housing, these markets will see improvements. If you're into any sort of speculative trade, I would suggest that you be vigilant. April will require you to go that extra mile. Travel is likely, and also it will be beneficial for you. Don't hold back if you're trying any unconventional methods or means of achieving things. Growth will continue until the second week of May, followed by an emotionally and financially draining June. But this will be just the first half of June. The best advice for this period is to turn your lifestyle totally upside down and make major changes in your routine, food, and eating habits, social habits. Health will require attention in July, but gradually things will pick up, and August will be good in terms of spiritual, financial, and mental levels. September, the start of September to be precise, will be good. October will be your best month, and your energies will be threefold in October. Don't leave any stone unturned in this period. November and December again will be excellent, exceptionally good, if I have to put it that way. If you can maintain your stability and focus, these 3 months can be your best months to pick up on any lost time or money. So overall, I think you'll have a very, very good year. Number 4 is you'll have a good start to the year with positive energies and heightened spiritual sense. Travel will be on your mind, but I'll advise you to skip it until the first week of March, because in Feb your decision making capabilities will be impacted. This period will also require you to stay away from all the unnecessary confrontations and insecurities. March will be good in terms of business, personal growth, career prospects. So if you're into housing, metals, beverages, academic industries, you can expect a surge in demand. April, you'll tend to fall back on your old habits, beliefs, and ways of working. This will limit you, and you'll soon wake up to reality. For those in politics, April until mid-May is your period of action to reap long-lasting benefits. June will require attention to health, and also you need to curb your expenses. Now, having said that, finances will still pour in, but just not at the desired level. For those in entertainment industry, I would suggest go all guns blazing until July. July mid, although you'll see some temporary setbacks, but they'll soon be reversed. August will mostly be good until flattening energies by end of the month. That'll continue until the first week of September, or rather second week of September. October is a great period for finances. Save more during this period, as November will be expensive. Finally, December you can bounce back, and overall you'll have a satisfying year. Number 5 is this is your year, so expect things to work out in your favor by end of the day. You'll have an energetic start. In Jan, you'll settle down by mid-month, and by month end, you'll rethink your priorities and goals and plans in life. So the last week of Jan until the second week of Feb will be confusing, if not troubling on a mental level. You'll also see some poor health, and the ripple effect will be felt in your personal relationships as well. But things will settle down. If you're planning to start something of your own, March is the month to begin. March will also see some major associations, bonds, partnerships for those already in business. If you're into luxury, travel, technology, communications, beauty, textiles, and conventional speculative trades, you can see growth. Artists and actors can expect growth and new beginnings during this period. April, you need to be watchful of your speech more than your actions. Growth will be slow, so be patient. May will mostly be good, but you need to work with others to reap the benefits until June end. During this period, once again, your relationships will be tested, and you'll rethink over your bonds and associations, but these can also mean new beginnings. On a positive note, July until September will be excellent, with a temporary slowdown in August. Now, despite the slowdown, August is an excellent month for travel, and it will be beneficial for you. October will be slightly slow, but because of your own actions and a thirst for change or inconsistency. November will be good but expensive, so save more. December will again be enlightening and excellent on all fronts. So overall, I think you'll have a beneficial year. This is your year, make the most of it. Seek advice and don't scatter your energies in 2021. Number 6, you can probably have the best year of all the numbers. With humble beginnings in Jan, you'll reflect on your past year, and your plans for this year include stepping out of your comfort zone, focusing on self-love, improvement. Money and recognition are obviously on top of your mind. So in the process, you'll gain wisdom and develop new perspectives about life in Feb. Feb is also a good month for beginning something new, because March until mid of April, your energies will be low. Relationships will be affected, but despite this, friendlies will always be around. So in terms of finances, you'll always get help from one or more sources. April end until mid-May is your golden opportunity to make money. Luxury, travel, IT, telecommunications will see growth. Retail will still be slow, but stock traders will mostly be happy in the second part of the year, or second half of the year rather. May end until entire June will bring expenses, so seek advice before making any investments or big decisions. July and August will bring in travel, at the same time healthy returns. These 2 months are extremely good for you. New relationships will also take place during this period. September and November will be slow, but you'll still see some growth. October and December will be healthy and full of life, and by year end, if you utilize all the opportunities, if you travel, make new connections, socialize more, learn and adapt, you'll have a satisfying year. Coming to number 7s, with not so optimistic outlook for 2021, but as you progress from Jan to Feb, your perspective and outlook on life will change, and it will benefit you on a mental and financial level. Throughout the year, you need to maintain a positive outlook and embrace change, I would say, with open arms. So things might seem too chaotic and difficult to catch up to, but if you maintain pace with changing times, it will benefit you. Seeking advice this year from people in your inner circle will be beneficial. Also, if you wish to revisit or strengthen your bonds with the connections or people you've lost touch with, it'll benefit you in the later part of the year. Beginning with March, the first half will be low on health and related expenses, but the next 3 months or period until May, second week of May, will be exceptionally good for business and travel. If you're in independent trade, you can expect breakthroughs. Those seeking a job, this is a good period. During April, it's also best to seek advice if you're planning to buy a property specifically. Now, if you're working in public administration or politics, this is a strong month for you. May end until June, specifically mid of June, will be superb in terms of finances, but July and August will bring in expenses and slow progress. Now, if you wish to take a break, August is a good month for you to travel and regain your energies. September can work for you in terms of capitalizing on your connections and associations. So September will be slow, but if you utilize your connections and associations wisely, you can still see some growth. October will be a bumpy ride, but November will be good in terms of personal growth and finances as well. The last month or December will be exceptionally good in all the aspects, and you'll mostly spend time in leisure. So my best advice for number 7s this year will be to strengthen bonds and seek advice to make the best of this year. Number 8s, they'll have a good start to the year, and your authority will be mostly visible during the first 2 months in Jan and Feb. So Jan, you can expect good results. Things will go in your favor. Feb, you'll see some hiccups, but eventually things will work out. In March, you can expect elevation of status, personal growth, opportunities to earn. In the process, in March, you might develop some enemies, but you'll be victorious in the end. April is a great month for business, relationships, spiritual growth. May will be exceptionally good for people in property, healthcare, travel, luxury and academics. Those in politics, though, will face some troubles, and they will prolong until October. So you can expect change of attitudes, poor image, ailing support, criticism, and the only way to win in politics will be to build new relationships or partnerships this year. You can also expect a complex mix of policy changes, dynamic politics this year. June and August will be good for business, with an exception of July, where things will get slow. September, you need to act with due diligence, else you will face setbacks. So be really careful in September. Love life will be affected as well in this month, but by first week of November things will pick up and turn out good. Your energies will slightly be off during this period, so make changes, healthy changes in your lifestyle. By December you'll reap all the benefits. December will also be your time to enjoy the results of all your hard work and challenges and your diplomacy that you've used throughout the year. But overall this will be a better year compared to the last year, and I wish you all the best for 2021. Finally, coming to number 9s, you'll have a better year this year compared to the last one. Jan, you'll see some positive beginnings that'll translate into tangible results, financial and otherwise. Feb, you'll have to watch your health, and in case of indecisiveness, I would say hold on to big investments or decisions. Your relationships will also get a hit in Feb, so keep an open mind during confrontations. I would say step into other person's shoe to get a broader perspective on things. March, you'll get the much needed energy boost. It's a good month for business, travel, to meet new people, establish connections. Your energies will be superb in March. Make the best of it, because in April you'll feel insecure, threatened and stressed out. For people in politics, April will be quite stressful for you. I would say seek advice of your guru or anyone you look up to turn things around. Those in metals, coming to business, those in metals will benefit on a stable level. Entertainment, arts, technology professionals will get much needed breather. May and June are your months to make the best of all the opportunities that come across. Finances will increase in these months, but so will expenses, so be wise. July will bring in some lethargy due to low energy fields, but September and October will be very impactful. October again is a month to watch your health, just a bit, but you still need to watch your health. Those in automobile industries will see a surge during this month. The first week of November though will test your strategies, and necessary changes will be required on your part for future prospects. December will be a blessed month in spiritual and financial terms. Relationships will also improve in December. Health will be much better than last year, and overall I think you'll be satisfied with your progress in 2021.